Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to use the time machine in DBZ Kakarot. This fantastic feature unlocks once you have successfully completed the entire main story of the game. It's a super helpful tool for all you completionists out there, letting you go back and tackle any side quests or activities you might have missed during your initial playthrough. It ensures you can experience every bit of content the game has to offer, even after the credits roll. And once you finish the main story, your next step is to head over to West City. You'll find the time machine conveniently located right outside the Capsule Corporation building. Look for an egg-shaped contraption. To activate it and start your journey through time, simply approach and speak with Dr. Briefs or occasionally Bulma, who will be standing nearby. They'll guide you through the initial setup, making it easy to jump into the past. After interacting with Dr. Briefs, a menu will appear, displaying the 4 main story chapters: the Saiyan Saga, Frieza Saga, Cell Saga, and Buu Saga. You can select any of these chapters to see a list of its individual episodes and intermissions. This allows you to pinpoint exactly where you want to go. A handy feature lets you check for any sub-stories you haven't completed within each episode, often marked with a star if finished. When you travel back in time, you'll be happy to know that your characters keep their current, powerful levels and all your collected items. However, for story consistency, some transformations might be temporarily unavailable during specific past events. Also, it's important to remember that saving and autosaving are disabled while you are replaying past missions. You cannot return to a chapter you are currently playing, and some unique boss fights, like Mira, cannot be replayed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.